Órale, mi gente. La Palabra del Barrio presents Book 15. Ezra Scott Return. Rebuilding and Hard Revival. Batos y batas. Chapter 1. Cyrus of Persia. Year 1. Drops the mic. Dios told me to rebuild his house in Jerusalem. Whoever wants to go, go with my blessing. Gold, silver, articles return. Sheshbazzar leads first caravan. Chapter 2. List of returnees. Zerubbabel, Jeshua, priests, Levites, singers, gatekeepers. 42,360 strong, plus servants and animals. Like a big barrio homecoming parade. Chapter 3. Altar rebuilt first on the old foundation. Tabernacles feast celebrated even with enemies watching. Temple foundation started. All men who saw Solomon's temple cry. Young ones shout. Mixed noise. Can't tell joy from weeping. Chapter 4. Enemies offer help, get rejected. Then threaten, bribe officials, send letters to kings. Work stops for years. Chapter 5-6. Prophets Haggai and Zechariah fire up the people. Build! Governor Tatenai questions. They send letter to Darius. Darius finds Cyrus' decree, says, let them build and pay for it from royal treasury. Temple finished and dedicated with joy. Passover celebrated. Priests and Levites in place. Chapter 7. Ezra the scribe, priest, expert in the law, arrives with king's full support. Artaxerxes' letter. Silver, gold, whatever you need for the house of Dios. Tax-free. Ezra ready to teach statutes and rules. Chapter 8. More returnees listed. Ezra proclaims fast for safe journey instead of asking king for soldiers. They make it safe, deliver all offerings. Chapter 9. Bad news. Leaders married foreign women, breaking the law. Ezra tears clothes, pulls hair, sits appalled till evening sacrifice. Prays heavy confession. We've been unfaithful since our ancestors. Chapter 10. Big assembly in rain. Shechaniah. Make covenant, send away the foreign wives and kids. Ezra makes them swear. Commission formed, they investigate case by case. Many guilty ones confess and put away foreign wives. Hard but necessary cleansing. Ezra Scott complete, carnales. From Babylonian exile back to Jerusalem. Temple rebuilt, law revived, hearts turned. Even after mess-ups, Dios raises leaders and brings restoration. Órale, keep returning to the word and stay faithful and funky, batos y batas.